Hey, welcome back, everybody. So the other day, we went out fishing. We went out to Clear Lake. They were prepping for a bass tournament, the New Gen series. It was heavily fished. We were able to catch 3 fish using the black and blue drop shot. So today we're gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna dual shot the drop shot worm, and I want to try to dual shot the Senko worm. But what we're going to try to do today is we're going to do a glow green on top of black. See how that turns out for us, and we'll give it a shot today. Stick around. Thanks for hanging out. Okay, so we just pulled this one out, all clear. We're gonna inject it. We're gonna drop some of that glow green in there. See how that turns out. See how that looks. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop some, actually we're gonna put some green flake in it, and then in the black bottom part we're gonna put some silver flake in it and see how that turns out. So we're gonna go and put some of this glow green dye in here. And if it turns out the way it looks like, I'm gonna like this because it's a good color that I've used in a drop shot. Ooh, well, we're not gonna use that one. Well, that didn't work. I highly recommend not using this glow paint dye from Hobby Lobby. We kind of had a mess here. As soon as I dumped it in there, it became like a science project. It started boiling over. So, yeah, we're going to change colors on this today. We're going to go ahead and try something else. Let me get this mess cleaned up, get everything all back together, get everything all melted down, and we'll come back with different colors. Okay. So we're going to put some silver metal flake. We're going to put some silver metal flake in this black. Not too terribly much, not even a 1/4 of a spoon. We're going to mix it up. That's going to be the bottom. And when the black gets, or the green gets done, we're gonna dump some of that green metal flake, real fine glitter is really what that more or less is, more of a glitter. And we'll give it I'll give it a shot and see how that looks. That looks pretty doggone good. We're gonna go ahead and give that a whirl, see how that looks. While we're at it, we're gonna go ahead and do this craw. All right, we're gonna let that set up, and once it sets up, we'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. All right, I think it's cooled down enough. We're gonna see how these worms turned out, drop shot worms. Turned out pretty good. Got black right there on the bottom. Nice little green there on top. Looks pretty good to me. Make up a few more of those. we'll see. Let's see how the craw turned out. Well, didn't really turn out all that well. Didn't get enough down there in the pinchers, so scrap that one and recook that one. So I pulled the craw out. Didn't quite turn out as well as I'd like. Not sure what really happened there. Not a real big fan of this single shot craw mold. It doesn't seem to work as well as these ones here. If you look, I just pulled these ones here out. You can see really good the fine glitter I got in there, and how well the back turned out on those. And then I went ahead and just shot a deal of Cinco's as well. And I can see, if you can see real close, that real fine glitter. We'll see how those turn out. I really like how that fine glitter is. There's a lot in there. Maybe it'll get a good shot in the light with that. So next fishing trip, you know what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use these to see how these turn out. I will report back to you on those. Give me a second and I'll show you again the other ones that I poured the other day and took those. So here's the black and blue. I'm not sure if you could pick up the glitter or not in the camera, but this is the one I was using the other day with a tough bite. I caught 3, had one just snap my line. I had brand new line on there, snapped it right at the hook just like that. So I'm not sure what happened with there, but I mean, you know, it's when you're not getting a bite on anything else and you get a bite on something you made, that you feel pretty good about how your chances of continuing to do what you're doing. So again, thanks for coming along. Hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, notify you when I put a new video up. I try to get one up at least once a week, maybe more, but it's hard to say what's all going on and everything with work and everything. And I'm going to keep pouring these out. You guys have any questions or anything, please feel free to ask. Any comments, please comment. So anything you see that I'm doing wrong or I can improve upon, let me know. I appreciate it. Hopefully to talk to you guys pretty soon. Take care.